In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save an invoice in QuickBooks as PDF. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in QuickBooks Online, how to find the right invoice, and the quickest way to download a clean professional PDF you can email or store for your records. First, make sure you're signed into your QuickBooks Online account and that the invoice you want has already been created. From the left-hand menu, head to Sales. This is your hub for everything related to money coming in. Once you're there, choose All Sales. All Sales gives you a consolidated view of your transactions, which makes it easy to zero in on the exact invoice you need without bouncing around different pages. Next, let's locate the invoice. Use the filter to show invoices, so you're only looking at invoice records, not estimates, payments, or other sales entries. With the list narrowed down, click the specific invoice you want to save. Opening it lets you confirm all the details are correct: customer name, dates, items, amounts, and taxes, so your PDF reflects the final version you intend to share. Now you're ready to create the PDF. In the Open Invoice, click Print or Preview. This option prepares the invoice in a clean, print-ready layout. From here, you have a couple of choices. If your goal is a digital copy, select the Download as PDF option. QuickBooks will generate the file and place it in your computer's default Downloads folder. Consider renaming the file with something clear, like the invoice number and customer name, so it's easy to find later. If you also need a paper copy, you can choose Print from the same screen and send it to your printer. Before you close out, take a quick look at the downloaded PDF to make sure everything appears the way you expect. Logo placement, totals, and payment terms. If anything looks off, return to the invoice in QuickBooks, make adjustments, and repeat the download so your final copy is accurate and professional. If you're having trouble finding the invoice, double check that you're in All Sales with the filter set to Invoices. Sorting by date or amount can also help you spot it faster in longer lists. That's it. You've navigated to Sales, filtered to Invoices, opened the correct record, and used Print or Preview to download a polished PDF. Save it in your preferred folder, keep your naming consistent, and you'll have a reliable system for sharing and storing invoices moving forward. Thanks for watching and happy bookkeeping.